Okay. I'm gonna try it again. That's low health though. We'll try 2 mistakes. See if they can keep my TTs alive. Oh, come on. Nope, she killed my healer, so... Kill my healer. What do you... That's GG without a healer. No, you just keep killing my... Okay. I think I'm gonna die here anyway, so... Because... I didn't even get a chance to use my Let It Snow, that's the problem, because... Just gonna use the Hurricane. And because Mistay's Tritania wall's not up, no. I need Mistay to live. So I can put up... I need Mistay to live so I can put up the, Oh, let me try something different here. Let me take a different approach to this really quick. Swap you out for... Where is she? Marie. Oh, actually, you know what? No. I know what I can do here. Mistay's not gonna die. Okay. Talisman. That was my Yapamala. Oh, you need the resist. Okay, we're gonna try this. Yes, I see. I see the Terra picture. I see Terra. But I'm trying to focus. With the Fallen. Iceberg. Carl. Oh yeah, it's dinner time. I'm sorry. Yeah, I have to feed you. It's ended. I have to feed the Carls. Yes, I will come. Just give me 1 sec, Carl. And I won't have a good Transtera up, right? Naomi, you're coming. Oh, she needs to be immune to paralysis. That's what I need. Okay. That's what I was missing. You need to be immune to paralysis. So there. Okay. We're gonna try this. Here we go. RNG me, bird. Do it. Oh shit, eh? I made it. Okay. Follow the iceberg. Okay, so I need to... Full life. Any Sunaga. I don't have time to raise you right now. So I have to... Sorry, Isunaga, but... Kiraja, but... Okay. Good, get my Terras up. They're up. Magical activation. Magical activation. Marie, show them all why you're amazing. Love you all. Whip! Tritania Wall. They're still gonna die. Damn! Damn, man! Oh, she still dies. Okay, we'll give her Fenrir then. We'll just have to stick with Behemoth. What's her ice resist at? Is this 30%? 30. Ice and wind though, because that covers when she gets hit by the wind attack. 160% ice resist. It's not going to get much better than that. Okay. Marie doesn't look like the loving type. Health. You're up, Helios. Alright, here we go again. Just don't kill my healer. Mistake. Kill any of my DPS, actually. Kill my DPS. I don't care. This turn, I don't care. Good. Stop. 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 Okay. Two-way magic. Sunaga. Kiraja. Boop. Mistay needs to live through this. What's her... is it lowers resist, right? Okay, so Tritinnia Wall. She should have been at 210 ice resist, and then it would be reduced, but she needs to live through this. If she can live through this... just let Mistay live. Just let Mistay live. There we go. Okay. Okay. So... Dual White Magic. Isunaga, Kiraja. So she lived. So that means her taunt will be up, right? Good, her taunt is up so she can guard to reduce her damage. Now you can lovely guard to make all my people immune to paralysis next turn. This will kill the little birds. Mistay just needs to live. Come on, Mistay. Eat that shit. Yes! Okay. Oh, it didn't work. Okay. Her taunt is still up, so she can guard. Just re-up love you all. Dual White Magic, re-raise on Mistay. Kiraja. We might have it, guys. We might actually do the Ice Bird without ice damage. As long as Mistay guards all this. Oh, their buff wore out though, doesn't it, now? Dual White Magic. Dispelga, Kiraja. Get rid of those buffs. I don't think so. Okay, so she needs to guard again. Good. Somebody get ready to clip this. Somebody please get ready to clip this, because we're about to kill the iceberg without using any fire damage. Iceberg, no fire damage. Thank you. Exit challenge completed. Iceberg, Iceberg with no fire damage, doable, confirmed. I hope somebody clipped it. Please tell me somebody clipped that for me. Did somebody clip it? Please? Clip? Anybody clip? Did anybody clip that, please? Because I want to put that below. Anybody in chat? Did anybody clip it for me, please? Oh. No! Darn it. Oh, I was hoping somebody would have clipped it. I did not. Oh. We seen it all say you failed. Well, I'm recording. I'm actually recording the stream. It's just I'd have to clip it out of the video. But yeah, so yeah, you can do the iceberg without ice damage. Confirmed. Transterra's OP AF. There you go. Sith, look at your PMs on Discord. Sithal intro. Welcome to the world of Sithal. Oh, welcome to the world of Sithal. Oh. Welcome to the world of Sithal, where we don't give a fuck. Wait, how am I not seeing it? Oh, there it is. I thought you might have been PMing me a clip for when I killed the bird without fire. How am I not seeing Roy? Probably because he's gone on expedition. Where are you, Roy? There he is. Nice stream, dude. I'll try to get here a bit earlier next. Oh, have a good night, Exit. Thanks for stopping in and giving me that ridiculous challenge. No, I'm just playing with settings and shit. Oops. Martial Arts Mastery. Dragon Killer Plus. Where are you? Okay, that's you done. Now you. So there's protection. Sworn Six Bright Earth. Where's White Knight? Soul. Okay. Demon Mail. Imperial Helmet. Beast Lord. Dodge Knuckles. Oh, I know what I messed up on my first day too. Somebody's already probably said it in chat before I... Yeah, I messed it up. Is it at the bottom or where is it? Oh, no, that's not what I want to do. Where is it? There it is. Oh no. Never mind. You're the one with the dual Crimson Blood for Dragon Killer. Okay. Warrior. Defensive. I don't have my Spear Mastery yet, unfortunately, so we'll just put 2 attack, 30%. Sorry. You Gilga, no evade. That's not hard, man. I can one-shot Gilgamesh. Is there a fast, easy way for Dark Esper? I've soloed it with my charming kitty Ariana, but a fast, easy way? Like, are you talking about you want to farm it or for a beginner? Iperhar.
Wake up, Daddy's home.
Beginner? Thanks for the follow. Is it Bubbler Nuggets? Thank you very much. Welcome to the Pay to Win crew. For a beginner, I'd have to know what units you have. Iperhar. Because it is a bit of a DPS check if you're a beginner, because and tanking check, because you have to be able to tank when they go crazy, but also do enough DPS to kill them before they constantly nuke you. One of the cheapest units for beginners to get through it is using Zaun's Twisted Fate. Zaun's Twisted Fate is... Oh, no. Zaun's Twisted Fate makes the fight really, really easy. I'll show you what ability I'm talking about. If you have Zaun. This ability right here. Mirrors all positive status effects from an enemy on all allies. And removes all status effects from one enemy. Yeah, Warrior Light is way better than Cecil for the fight, especially if you have Warrior of Light enhanced. Way, way better. Oops, I think I just used the wrong thing, didn't I? Shit. I lowered a spirit instead of attack. Defense. I don't think it'll matter, though. No. I mean, I have some good units, not tons of TMRs. Do you have Mistay? Do you have Mistay? 2 Veritas of Dark. Jesus. Marie. Okay. Marie. Mistay. Oh, okay. You're gonna want Mistay 6-star. And if your Marie's enhanced, at least her Love You All, you can do it super, super easily. And if you have, a Zaun, Mistay, where is it? WOL. Actually, you probably don't even need Zaun if you have a Marie. Marie, enhanced. The Love You All specifically. Mistay, Warrior of Light, 2 times VOD. Should be no problem, man. And then you can take a healer friend, or a healer friend or leave out one of the Veritas of Dark and take a healer and then take a DPS friend. But that team, so long as you have a healer friend, or just take a DPS friend and take a healer instead of a Veritas of Dark. But Marie Enhanced with Mistake and Warrior Light tanking, it'll be you don't even need that many TMRs, man. With Marie and Mistake and Warrior of Light, well, Marie Enhanced, Warrior Light Enhanced, you'll have no problem, especially with Veritas of Dark. You'll have no problem with that at all. Your VODs won't take any damage. You just have to make sure you can dispel. Make sure you have some way to dispel, whether it's the holy holy torches, the items that you can buy that dispel, or one of your characters have dispel. Oh, okay. Anyway, that's it.
Wake up, Daddy Shom.
Oh, someone just followed us. I just saw that Clake just got on. So we are going to go host Clake, because I like watching him myself. Thanks for the follow, Ipar. If you get your team set up, my Discord link is below. You can always drop an Imgur link or images of your team in my Discord, so I can see how your setup is, and then I can tell you right away whether or not it'll be doable or not. For now, we're going to host Clake. I'll just try it in case people see. We are going to host Clake, but I will be back after his stream. So we're gonna host Clake, see what he's up to, and then we will be back for whatever you guys want to see, because by then I'll have some more energy and stuff like that for healers. I got Yasholta, Ariel, Luca. Refia Enhanced is really good too, but Luke Enhanced is amazing as well. But Yasholta is really good because of the dual cast. So for your healers, I would probably go with Yasholta. Take Yasholta. Okay, we're gonna host Clake, and then I will see all of you afterwards. Whoever wants to stick around. I have dual cast team. Oh, okay, then you can take Luca. Or Arya is really good too because of her her limit break, right? So it's your call. Just drop me an Imgur link in Discord whenever you got it all set up. So thanks for stopping by, guys. We're gonna go watch Clake, and we will be back afterwards.
So you got it back, was chilling, but triggering at the same time, hunting down key. I hate that shit. Sentinel coming in with the host. Thank you so much. Let me get this Dragon Ball in here real quick. Sentinel, thank you so much for the host, guys. If you don't know Sentinel, he's another Final Fantasy Brave Extra streamer, up and coming. How's your stream, buddy? Get them damn Dragon Balls, boy! Oh, Brain Power. Sorry, are you ready? Brain Power, yeah. I don't think anybody else can type it in but myself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, no one can type it in but myself. We only need one more, guys. Thank you for the follow, Bob Saget. What's up, buddy? Holy shit. Yeah, Bliss needs some more friends. He's been killing all the cheaters. Thank you so much, Angry. You don't gotta be doing this, though. Thank you. I think so, Warford. I think so. Make sure you keep me honest on that. Make sure you keep me honest on that. Yo, Shinro, what's up, buddy? Whoa, Sentinel, that was probably gross, wasn't it? Can we get a Shadow 7-star? Hey, I can talk to Hiroki for you. Yeah, he has a pretty good stream, doesn't he, Ghost? I know you're on stream, but here's a trailer for... Okay. Can you whisper me that? Can you whisper? Actually, maybe I can open it up here on the right. Let me click on this. Okay, I'll check it out after stream. You actually be able to just keep it up in a tab over here. Is a bully, Crisper? Oh, by the way, I got your shirt in, Crisper.